They say black never goes out of style, and Coco Chanel would probably agree. But what if I told you that the most elegant women in history didn't always wear black? Think of Grace Kelly in soft powder blue, Audrey Hepburn in her ivory satin ball gown, or Queen Rania of Jordan in stunning emerald green. Even in modern times, women like Amal Clooney and Victoria Beckham are often seen in rich, refined colors that speak louder than black ever could, without saying a word. So in today's video, we're diving into the 5 most elegant colors that replace black, and how to style them with class. These are the colors that say chic without trying too hard, that light up your face, elevate your outfit, and make you look expensive, even if you got your dress on sale. From regal burgundy to sophisticated taupe, we'll explore how to use each one like a modern-day Mona Lisa. My name is Aisha, and if you love learning how to dress with elegance, confidence, and timeless femininity, don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance. 1. Deep Navy Blue. Deep navy blue is the silent superstar of elegant wardrobes. It's the color that says, I'm sophisticated, but I don't need to shout about it. While black can sometimes look a little too harsh or draining, especially in daylight, navy offers the same depth, but with softness and subtle charm. No wonder Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales, has made it her signature shade for royal engagements. And let's not forget Jacqueline Kennedy, who wore navy on numerous occasions. Because as she once said, simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. Now, how do you style it? For work, pair a tailored navy blazer with cream trousers and gold accessories. It gives you that quiet luxury, boss lady vibe without looking too corporate. For casual elegance, a navy blouse over white jeans with nude flats is effortlessly chic. If you're going out in the evening, go for a silky navy wrap dress with silver heels and a pearl clutch. And if you're attending a wedding or formal dinner, a structured navy midi dress with soft curls and diamond studs will have you looking like you stepped out of a Vogue editorial. Navy also plays beautifully with camel, beige, ivory, blush pink, and even oxblood if you're feeling bold. It's incredibly versatile and works in every season, like the Meryl Streep of your wardrobe, classy, timeless, and always appropriate. 2. Rich Burgundy. If elegance had a scent, rich burgundy would smell like old libraries, fine red wine, and vintage lipstick. It's the color of royalty, passion, and depth. Once reserved for emperors and high clergy, and now proudly worn by modern-day icons like Amal Clooney, Rihanna, and even Michelle Obama. This isn't just a fall color, it's a year-round statement of richness and refinement. Styling burgundy is simpler than you might think. For day wear, try a burgundy turtleneck tucked into high-waisted beige trousers with loafers or boots. It gives a Parisian charm that looks polished without being too dressy. Want to look like you own an art gallery in Milan? Pair a burgundy wool coat with all black underneath, gold hoops, and dark sunglasses. For evening elegance, a satin burgundy slip dress with strappy heels and a sleek bun is unforgettable. Just ask Zendaya, who wore a similar look and practically broke the internet. Burgundy also plays beautifully with soft neutrals like cream and taupe, as well as with metallics like gold and bronze for extra glam. Even a burgundy handbag or a deep berry lipstick can add instant elegance to an otherwise simple look. 3. Soft taupe. Soft taupe is like the Audrey Hepburn of neutrals, quiet, graceful, and always appropriate. It doesn't scream for attention, yet it's always noticed. Somewhere between beige and gray, soft taupe is the color of old Parisian apartments, vintage trench coats, and the pages of antique books. It's timeless, subtle, and polished. The kind of color that says, I didn't try too hard, but I still look better than everyone else. So, how do you wear it without looking washed out? The key is layering and texture. For a relaxed yet elegant look, try a soft taupe knit sweater with white trousers and nude flats. For something more structured, wear a taupe blazer over a silk blouse and cream culottes. A monochrome taupe outfit, especially in silky or flowy fabrics, looks incredibly luxurious and modern, like you're walking out of a Vogue editorial. You can even add contrast with black accessories or a bold lip. Soft taupe pairs beautifully with white, ivory, rose pink, deep plum, olive green, and of course, chocolate brown. And when paired with gold jewelry or a hint of pearls, it takes on an even more elevated tone. It's also the perfect background for statement accessories. whether it's a pop of color in your handbag or a printed scarf. 4. Chocolate brown. If there's a color that feels like sipping espresso in an Italian cafe, wrapped in a cashmere coat, it's chocolate brown. Warm, rich, and endlessly sophisticated, this is the shade that adds depth without the drama. Think of it as black's softer, more romantic cousin. It has that old money aura we love. No wonder it's been embraced by icons like Sophia Loren and Hailey Bieber, who've all been spotted styling chocolate brown with undeniable elegance. Now, how do we wear chocolate brown without looking like we just left a 1970s film set? It's all about balance and pairing. For a casual chic outfit, wear a brown knit sweater with cream trousers and gold jewelry. For work, try a fitted chocolate blazer over a white blouse with beige wide-leg pants. Smart, clean, and feminine. And if you're stepping out for an evening dinner, a silky brown midi dress with caramel heels and a matching clutch oozes understated glamour. Brown leather boots with a tailored camel coat? Chef's kiss. Chocolate brown pairs beautifully with soft neutrals like ivory, beige, and taupe. It also works with blush pink, light blue, olive green, and gold. And don't forget the accessories. A brown handbag, tortoiseshell sunglasses, or even a rich cocoa-toned nail polish can add subtle elegance to any look. 5. Emerald green. Emerald green isn't just a color, it's an entrance. It's the shade of royalty, envy, and effortless luxury. Think Princess Diana in her iconic revenge dress era, or Angelina Jolie's unforgettable green Atelier Versace gown at the Golden Globes. Emerald green doesn't whisper. It speaks with poise, class, and a hint of mystery. It's no wonder Cleopatra was said to be obsessed with emeralds. They were her symbol of power and seduction. Now, how do we wear it in real life without feeling like we're headed to a gala every day? Start with an emerald green blouse tucked into beige trousers for a polished, modern look. A tailored green blazer over a white dress adds sophistication to your workwear. And for those cozy fall or winter days, try an emerald knit sweater with cream or camel wide-leg pants and brown boots. It's chic without trying too hard. And yes, emerald silk or velvet dresses are showstoppers at evening events. Just add gold heels and a red lip, and you're the definition of high style. This jewel tone pairs beautifully with neutrals like ivory, camel, chocolate brown, and charcoal gray. For a bold statement, pair it with fuchsia or sapphire blue, but only if you're feeling adventurous. Gold accessories bring out the richness of emerald green like no other. Now that you've got the perfect palette to replace black, it's time to experiment and find your signature shade. I'd love to hear which color spoke to you the most. Do you already have these colors in your wardrobe, or are you ready to dive into the world of rich burgundy and midnight plum? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more timeless style tips, fashion advice, and elegance inspiration. Until next time, stay graceful, stay elegant, and always wear what makes you feel truly fabulous.